Hi, it's Phil. Hello, my Puffy Talker fiends. It's GSPA Pro, aka Phil, and have you ever thought about getting a chicken, or like 8 chickens, or like 10 chickens? Have you ever thought of getting chickens? Cause I didn't. When I moved into my new house, I wasn't thinking about getting chickens, but apparently my mom was. So since year I will put here, we decided to get 8 chickens. We got 8 Rhode Island Reds. Pretty average chicken size, average chicken breed. They lay eggs for us. Obviously, what else are you supposed to do with chickens? Anyways, that's besides the point. Anyways, here today I'm going to give you a compilation of chickens being because I don't think people should have chickens. That's a joke. That's actually a joke. I think chickens, having chickens is like the best way to live, honestly, because they're pretty low maintenance, to be totally honest, depending on the breed you get, and they give you eggs. Free eggs. You know, the economy is in shambles. I don't want to be paying $8 for a dozen of eggs. So why not pay basically nothing and just get chicken feed for a bunch of chickens? Economical life tips from GSPA Pro, you know? Anyways, yeah, I'm going to be showing you videos I have taken over the past few years of my chickens. My chickens suck. My chickens hate me and my entire family. They hate my pets. They hate everybody. I didn't actually plan for this to be a video. I literally just like sat down on my counter with my phone stand and went, yeah, I'm gonna make a video about chickens. This is an art channel. Who the f wants to see videos of chickens? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the chicken compilation, and you will not see me for the next 2 months again. I would lie to you and say that I'm working on things, but I genuinely have no idea what I'm supposed to be doing anymore. I still don't have anything to animate with, so unless you want to see things that are about the same quality as the OC Arrival meme, which I highly doubt anybody wants to see any more of, that's all you're gonna be getting unless you give me time to get my shit together. So anyways, this is GSPA Pro signing out. Goodbye. Also, again, you really should get chickens. The economy is, in fact, in shambles. Egg prices will go up even more. I just want you to know that. So, honestly, if you have the space for it, cows too. Get your own damn milk. Yeah. Good luck.